Custom fields are any additional information that you want to include in purchase requests, purchase quotes, purchase orders, bills, and all their line items, and even vendor information. In this video, we will walk you through how to add custom fields in Peakflo. Go to Settings and then click on Custom Fields under General Settings. Click the Add New button at the top right side of the screen. Once the pop-up appears, fill out the following fields. Name. Add a distinct name for your custom field. Type. Set how the data should be filled by your internal teams. Input is a custom field to add texts. Number is a custom field to add numbers. List is a custom field to choose only one item from a predefined list. Multilist is a custom field to choose more than one item from a predefined list. Date is a custom field to add a date from the calendar. And multiple file is a custom field for adding one or more than one file with specific categorizations. As an example, we're using a list. In the description section, add the details of what the custom field is and how it needs to be filled out. Now click on the Visibility tab and tick where you'd like the custom fields to appear with the following configurations. Visible shows the custom field as a field in the edit form. Mandatory on approval makes the custom field mandatory to fill for full approval. Always mandatory makes the custom field mandatory to fill from the time of creation. Visible on table shows the custom field in the table view. Show in PDF shows the custom field in the PDF export. Show in approval email shows the custom field in the approval email sent to approvers. Click on Save and Close to save the custom field. For more information, check out our help portal at help.peakflo.co or email us at support@peakflo.co.